Hey guys, Glen Online. Today, what are the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners? The top 3 affiliate marketing programs. That's what we're going to talk about. Welcome to my channel. So glad you're here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification button so you get notified when I do make new videos. I try to make them every day for you, and I'm always looking for new sort of different angles of how to make money online. Maybe something's you're trying this and trying that, and something's just not clicking, and you watch one of my videos, and you're like, oh, that's that secret sauce that I'm just missing. So that's what I'm trying to provide for you guys. Just sort of like the overall picture, but also a ton of little tools and sort of what to promote and what doesn't work. So today I'm going to talk about the three top affiliate marketing programs that are out there. And I love these programs. I am a member of all 3 of them. Now, one thing I recommend, if you're just starting out, I highly recommend focusing on one program before you start promoting multiple programs. I promote multiple programs because my list is big. I have multiple lists of people from different campaigns and stuff like that, so I can target different people different ways, and that's why I can promote all 3 of these. But I really focused on one of them until I was making some good money in that program, and then I expanded onto these other programs. And some of them I just sort of fell into by accident, and then realized like, wow, this is an amazing program. So let's get into it. What are the top 3 affiliate marketing programs? Well, number one, an affiliate program for me, the most important thing, I have to be able to build my own list in it. Whether it's I'm going to get those leads that I'm able to download out of the program, or I'm able to put an autoresponder, which is something that collects email, basically builds an email list for you, and you're able to mass mail to these people without getting kicked off Gmail. If I can use my own, if I can use my own autoresponder, or the program has an autoresponder in it that I can download those leads, because I need to own those leads. That's the number one important thing about an affiliate program that I need. The second one, is there a demand? I want to have an affiliate program that I can easily talk to the people that are in my target niche. So I'm looking at programs that are going to help people make money online, maybe some digital assets that they need, like programs, software that they need. Those are the kind of things I promote because I want to talk to people that are interested in making money online. So as a beginner, this is the best place to start, because once you learn how to basically market the industry of make money online, it's easy to adapt that to any type of industry that you're interested in going into. So learning these basics are really important. The other element of a really good affiliate program that I want to see is they have to have training in it. They have to have good training, and they have to have up-to-date training. There's a lot of programs out there, guys, that are selling you like 10-year-old training, that calling it the newest thing. I know one that just didn't take off recently, and when I looked at their training, I was like, oh my word, like they're training stuff that was from 5 and 6 years ago. So you don't want that old sort of style training, because everything is changing, right? When you go into something and they're not addressing, well, is there TikTok, is there Instagram training, is there Twitter training, is there Facebook training, and whatever new thing is coming out, then you want to make sure that they are doing that, right? They're able to continue to update their training so that you're able to continue to grow your business with sort of the newest stuff. And I know you're going to say, well, I don't want to learn new stuff. Sorry, guys. You're in business for yourself. You're going to be an entrepreneur. You're going to be an affiliate marketer. You have to learn this stuff. So let's get into it. So number one, the most important thing, number one, the most people that you run across online are probably network marketers. So one of the programs I love to recommend, and this is kind of where I really kind of started, and let me just show my screen here. This is a system called My Lead System Pro, and it's truly for people in the network marketing business. Like, guys, this is what it's for. So what is it? It's a massive training program, and it has training daily. It has weekly webinars. Like, it's always training. So it's a hold on one second. Okay, these guys have been around for 10 years, and they've been training the top leaders in the industry. And they break it down as like, start here, work through this, work through this, work through this. It's an amazing affiliate program. They pay great commissions, and they also sell some other high-end products and even a business center. You can actually set up your own affiliate program in here. You can set up your own business center. It integrates with Stripe. It integrates with Zoom. It has everything you really need in here, and it's a great place to start as an affiliate marketer if you're mainly talking to network marketers. And again, it's basically get leads today. It talks about how to get leads, and these courses, guys, are in depth, right? And then you connect with your leads, and it basically just walks you through all this. There's thousands of. There's so much good programs in here, guys. It's huge. What I really also like about it is that you can't get overwhelmed, because when you join, they say start here, and they get you set up with the foundation as you're going through the training so that your brain isn't overwhelmed. So I love My Lead System Pro. The next one I want to show you is a marketing program called Legendary Marketer. Now this guy, Dave Wood, is from Dave Sharp. Dave Wood was his partner in another program. Dave Sharp, he put together a program that basically is a 15-day marketing challenge. But what it is, it takes you step by step by understanding the process of marketing. Now this really is for marketing anything. You could really take this and market anything you want in it. This is why I love this one. It shows you how to become a real marketer, not just sort of network marketing training, which is really what My Lead System Pro is. Although My Lead System Pro can really help you with anything, it's really focused on sort of that duplication, building a network marketing team, whereas this is really based on marketing and really becoming a brand yourself, and then having the luxury to go any way you want, right? So you go through it's a 15-day basically boot camp kind of thing. I think it costs like $7 to get into it. Right now they have a sale going on, so I highly recommend taking that. At least take the 15 days, and they're short, guys. It's not like it's a huge thing. It's just you watch a video. The videos are like anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes long. You watch the video, they do a little quiz so that you see if you retain some of the information, and then that's it, and then you move on day 2. You also get a coach, which is really cool. So for the $7, this is unbelievable value. Now it has an amazing affiliate program. It also has other products, so that it has high ticket products within it. And if you want to really like whack out of the park, go get your business blueprints here, guys. And it's just amazing the stuff that you can get, the programs that they sell here, and you're able to sell those as well. So that's another one of my favorites. Now the third one that I really like, I really highly recommend is here. Let me get my video out of the way here. Now this is one called Now Lifestyle, and what it is, it's basically a digital suite. So maybe you're thinking, oh Glenn, I don't want to promote something that talks about making money online and talks about network marketing. I really want to kind of go away from that. Well, Now Lifestyle is brilliant because you get paid 100% commissions, and you get paid multiple ways in it. What's great is that it's actually software that every business needs. So what do you get? It's an email autoresponder. I talked about that. It's a landing page builder. So just like WordPress, in fact, you have access to be able to install WordPress on it, or you can use their drag and drop build website builder. Either one, they've got landing pages, so you can create funnels, you can create authority websites, all this kind of thing. So everything a business needs. You have a live conference room, so you don't even need Zoom. So you have your own personally branded conference room, which is amazing. Like that alone is just it's so much value there. It's also got a place where you can host your high definition videos. So you don't have to host. Maybe you've got some training videos. You don't want to host them on YouTube because you don't want anyone to find them. So you put them into a video streaming place. And the other thing is, if they're on YouTube, what happens is it's going to suggest other videos for you. This way you capture 100% of your audience's of their attention. And that's why I love this program. It also pays multiple ways. Like I said, it pays from the people that you refer. You get paid for customers. If you introduce resellers to it, then you get paid on that way. And this one is really for people that have a bit of a hang up about the make money online business, basically. So what it does is it gives them an opportunity to sell something that is more like you're basically referring software. So those are my 3 top top affiliate programs. And I recommend, like I said, grab one. Or here's another thing. And all these things, if you want, you can put them on hold, or you can, you can start and stop them. They all have money back guarantees. There's no shifty things. They all pay monthly or weekly, depending on which program it is. But what I like about it is take a look at all three of them and pick the one that you think you're like, okay, this for me is the easiest to talk about, and start building that business. Once you have that business built, then start expanding and bringing in your other streams of income. All three of these make millionaires, guys. All three of these programs have made millionaires, and they've made multimillionaires. So I'm telling you, these are the top 3 affiliate programs for 2020, the top 3 affiliate programs for 2020 for beginners. This is what you want to be in. I highly recommend all of them. I'm going to put my links below. I promote all 3 of them all the time, guys. Like, this is what I promote. Basically, whenever you see my videos, I might promote a tool once in a while, but I always go back to saying, and check out the links below of the programs that I promote. So if you want to make money online like me, then this is what you need to be doing, these 3 programs. And I look forward to working with you. Just like Legendary, you have a coach, you have me to fall back on. Like, hey, and I'm not going to do the work for you, but I'm going to point you where you can find the answers to your questions, which is the best way to do duplication, because you really, when you have a team member or a reseller under you, when they ask you a question, don't solve it for them. Show them where to find the information, because that's what they can do. Some people think, oh, well, I'd never be able to do that, right? Well, can you point someone to something? Oh, yeah, I can do that. That's all you need to do. And it's really that simple, guys. All right, take care. If you like this video, make sure you share. Make sure you hit the notification button. I'm going to put another video, watch next video, in the description. And it's going to sort of show you more about now lifestyles, so that you understand the whole picture. And it's going to talk about the tools in there. The other 2 are pretty self-explanatory. It's training, and it pays you monthly, weekly, whatever the payment is. So yeah, check them all out. See what you think, and I hope to be working with you guys. Okay, bye.